Good afternoon, folks. This is Naeem Aslam live from London, and what we're really going to talk about is the big, massive opportunity in terms of gold prices because we just had the US non-farm payroll number, and I wanted to show you guys where the opportunity is and why we think that gold could be a really big opportunity. But as always, it is important for us to go through this disclaimer. Anything which will be discussed can't be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, what I'm going to do is the platform that you see in front of you is obviously a Bloomberg platform, but I'm going to bring the MT4 platform so that we can see how the prices are really moving from here. So from here, from on the daily time frame that you can see, gold prices are in a massive downward trend. There is no doubt about that the gold prices are way oversold, because just look at the RSI. Look, when the last time the RSI was around this particular area, the last time it was back in 2020 November, the RSI was really touching in these areas. Now the RSI is again there. But in terms of a negative divergence, we are still not seeing any evidence of that. Negative divergence is something when we have, so for example, over here we have a low, and then we have another lower low over here, and then we have another lower low price which is it is forming. So it's similarly now negative diversions will happen, or possibly to happen when we have a lower low on the price, and we also have a lower low. We have a low, sorry, we have a low on the price and we have a low on the RSI. And then when we have another lower low on the price, the RSI should be moving to the upside. But that is not the case. As you can clearly see, this high was slightly higher as compared to this high. So the RSI continues to move to the downside. And now we have another low in terms of gold, and we have another low in terms of the RSI as well. But so there is still not that negative divergence in place. However, the price is very in close to our previous predicted support level of 1681 to 1643. The price did go all the way to the lows of 1687, so just shy of that particular price point. So you could potentially enter into this particular in this trade right now if you like to, or you could just continue to wait into this opportunity. But by looking at the RSI, there is no doubt that the prices are way oversold. Now, the why the data has come so low, the reason for that is obviously we had the big US non-farm payroll number, and then you will see it, because over here, if I just say, let me just see if we can bring some of the headlines up over here to show you. Okay, so it's not coming over here under Dixie. Look there, here they are. So Dixie is your dollar index. So over here you can see some of the headlines right in the red, and then the data. Basically, the data came out earlier, and then you can see that on our Twitter account, which I can again bring it up for you guys. Earlier I tweeted that particular US non-farm payroll number, where we talked about that how the US non-farm payroll number was very strong. So let me just go over here and then bring that tweet in front of you. So again, this is sort of a confirmation for you guys to make sure that you guys understand that why it is so important for you guys to really follow on Twitter, because it gives you the direct information. So here are they. So you see the unemployment rate has fallen to 6.2% from a previous rate of 6.3%, and non-farm payroll have increased to 379% against the estimate of 200,000. Certain estimates were even 197 as well. So you can see massive bounce, in terms of a unemployment number. And again, here is the handle for that. So make sure that you kind of doing it. So again, going back, to the prices over here and the people on a Bloomberg, you can already see that the gold prices have started to move higher, and because the prices were just way oversold. So just wanted to give you guys a bit of a snapshot of what exactly is happening and why we think gold price is way oversold and why gold price is a massive opportunity. Again, on the weekly time frame, price have been selling consistently for the last 3 weeks, and we are very close to near 200 week moving average. This is where we could see massive support coming. The price has already touched that area of support pretty much so, and now it is moving to the upside, or likely to move to the upside. All right, so we'll provide you more update next time, and enjoy your time until then.